Hey, welcome back. So I want to be able to get my data back in here once I refresh, so that in case there are some errors, I can deal with them without having to retype everything. So how do we do that? Well, the key is to have variables ready to go. So here I'm going to go to, where is this? In the admin.php here, the controller. So right here where it says if row was posted, here there's show post right there. So what I want to do is to send these post variables back. So yes, right here. So I want to send these post variables back into data, into the view. So I'm going to do that by saying data post, like so. Okay, data post is equal to whatever post has, and that's it. Then now I can go to my settings view here where it says add right here. So where is this? So now all I need to check for is if those variables are set, and if they are set, then I can paste them here. So it's a simple ternary operator. So we're going to do that by clicking on, value right there. So what I'm looking for is header text there. So I'm just going to put an if statement like so and put equal sign and ask the question if it's set post header text, is it header text 1? Yes. So if is set, then what do? I'm going to put a question mark and say, yeah, and actually just put that same thing there. Copy, put that there, full colon, and then put empty semicolon, close that up. Okay, I think that does it, unless I missed something. Let me click here to make sure these are corresponding. Are they? Is set post header. Let's give it a test run and see if it actually works. Refresh, yes, resend, because I don't want to lose the data. And as you can see, the data is back there. Very good. So let's do the same for each one of these little ones. So I'm just going to copy the whole value thing here, copy, and I'm just going to should have copied the space as well, and I'm just going to paste it here. So this one goes to header 2 text, so let's just change that to 2, and this one is text area. Text area doesn't have a value property, we put it in here, paste, and let's remove the value is equal to and that inverted comma, and change this to text. Similar for link here, paste, change that to link. Okay, and yeah, the file is a bit tricky. Yes, we cannot do this for file. So yeah, I think that's about it. So refresh and resend. Okay, so we have everything in there. But what happened to main message though? Main message doesn't seem to have anything, and that is text. And that's actually because we didn't put a name on it. My bad. So name is going to be text. I put everything except the name. So refresh again, resend. Okay, nothing. So I don't remember what I had written here. This food is awesome. Try it and let me know what you think. I think that's what I had written, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so now I can, let me browse again, click there. So hopefully this time I will not see this image here. So add again, click. Okay, so the image is gone, meaning everything is good. What that means is that now the encoding type here we have put is actually working, this enc type, because it has sent the file to the files system and not the post system. So if I come back to slider control here, where there's show post, I can also do show files. Alrighty then when I refresh, resend, okay, so I get to see two things here, the text data and the file data right there. Okay, that's pretty awesome. Great. So all we need to do now is save this information into the database. So which we are going to do in the next video.